I can't get anything done because there's snow. Snow, very thick snow coming outside. The cats are mostly being friendly when the kids can stop chasing them. And the birds, they keep on having bird drama. And right now, there's 2 of each color in this tree. The red cardinals and the lady cardinals and these little stripy, I don't know what they are, wren things. And I'm waiting for River to notice and chirp at them. She hasn't been a chirpy cat because she hasn't spent a lot of time looking at birds out the window. And the snow. Oh my goodness, the snow is so thick. And it's so neat to have such a distance to watch because you can see the wind changing in different spaces, the direction and the speed. And it's fascinating. It's so hard to get anything done. I don't want to leave the window. Is it pretty out there?
Simon jumping on the washing machine and jump over.
Hey, look at the cat. Look at the bird. Hey. River. Look, right there. Cats do not follow pointy fingers.
What did you say?
Oh, I've said several things. I was talking about the snow and the birds and the cats.
Can I hear it again?
Hold still. Watch. They keep coming down. Okay. Too much apple juice, too fast. There's another 3rd red one down there on the kennel. Our glass doors have a leak, so there's moisture on the inside.
Where is it?
It's down below on the ground, I think. Nope.
You can see the neighbor's property anymore.
There's 3 in the tree now. Kid.
Hello.
They're so pretty.
Simon, you need to get off the counter. Do you feel your voice is going to carry more to him?
I'm almost done.